Hey baby, what do we got?
More pins.
And what kind of pins are they?
50th anniversary mystery pins.
So we're gonna open these up on camera. Start with box number 1. I think these ones are actually glued shut. Each one of these packs has 2 mystery pins. Mystery pin number 1, fingers crossed. We got a Big Al Country Bear. That is Big Al, right? Okay, mystery pin number 2. That looks like an Alice in Wonderland. All right, that's 2 down. 2 more chances to find a Figment. But at least it's hot out, so it's basically melting. There we go. Okay, 2 mystery pins. Mystery pin number 3.
Yeah.
Ah, we got another Big Al. Brah. This one better not be another Alice in Wonderland, be upset. Oh, Orange Bird. I like the Orange Bird. I'm good with the Orange Bird. Okay, so we got 3 different pins out of 4 pins total. So we got 2 Big Owls, an Orange Bird, and an Alice in Wonderland in the teacup. Not Alice in Wonderland, Alice in Wonderland in a teacup. So we're gonna be opening up more mystery pins as the 18 months goes on until I get this whole set. Until our next set of mystery pins, no capes.